Hi, I am Nisha Siriprabhu and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Today's my recipe is Soya Chap curry. Now believe me, till few years back I really didn't know what Soya Chap was, and then I stayed in Delhi, and during my stay in Delhi one of my very dear friends introduced me to this very yummy and nutritive recipe, and since then I am a big fan of soya bean. Coming to soya bean, we Indians really haven't developed a great liking for this, and whenever soya has made an entry in our country, we have royally rejected it. But if you're suffering from diabetes or if you're in a perimenopausal state, I request you to mandatorily include this in your diet, because soya bean is a book of nutrition in itself and it is going to extremely benefit you. So without wasting much time, let's go into the kitchen and check out this yummy recipe. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen on YouTube. I assure you will not be disappointed. So till I see you again, stay safe and please take good care of yourself. Thank you so very much.